Try a piece of rosemary bread with butter. Now let's make it, y'all. Rosemary is used as a seasoning in a variety of dishes, such as soups, casseroles, salads, and stews. I love using rosemary with chicken, but today we will be making rosemary bread. When using fresh rosemary, place your index finger and thumb at the tip of a stalk of rosemary. With the other hand, slide your fingertips down the stalk and the leaves of the rosemary will release. Be sure to throw the stalk away. Use dried rosemary from the grocery store or try fresh. Now here's what we need for this recipe. Cover with saran wrap and let it sit for 18 to 24 hours. Lightly oil a 10-inch iron skillet. Sprinkle with cornmeal.